Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to update Free Fire. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily update your Free Fire. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, click on your profile, and once you click on your profile, just click on settings. Now once you click on settings, you can see about. Just click on about. Now scroll to where you can see Play Store version, and you can see update Play Store. Now this is the best way to update your Play Store. So just update your Play Store to the latest version. Now once you are done, open your settings. Once you open your settings, click on apps and notifications, and once you click on apps and notifications, you can see application settings. Just click on that, and once you click on application settings, just wait for it to load for all your applications. And now once this is done, just scroll to the last end over here. So just scroll, and once you scroll, you can see over here Google Play Services. Click on Google Play Services, and then you can see storage and cache. Just clear cache and storage of Google Play Services, and then go back to where you can see Google Play Store. Just click on storage and cache, and also clear cache and storage of Google Play Store. Now once you are done, just scroll to where you can see your Free Fire. Now once you open your Free Fire, just click on storage and cache, and also clear storage of your Free Fire, and that's it. Now by doing this, you can update your Free Fire over here. Now I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new video